Greetings, fellow explorers. Today, we embark on a thrilling adventure into the realm of 3D printing. This revolutionary technology transforms digital dreams into tangible realities. Imagine holding a physical object that was once just an idea. 3D printing makes this possible, layer by layer. Hit that subscribe button and join us as we delve into this exciting world. Our first destination is Thingiverse, a vast online repository teeming with 3D printable designs. Are you ready? Let's begin. Imagine a library filled with blueprints for anything you could imagine. That's Thingiverse. It's a digital treasure trove of 3D models, each a testament to the creativity of the maker community. Creators from around the globe contribute their designs, making them freely available for anyone to download, modify, and print. Whether you're looking for a replacement part, unique jewelry, or a toy, you'll find it here. In the next section, we'll learn how to navigate this vast digital landscape. Navigating Thingiverse is like exploring a bustling marketplace of unique creations. Upon entering, you'll see a vibrant tapestry of 3D models. Browse by category or use the search bar to find specific designs. Each model page offers detailed descriptions, images, and often video demonstrations. Creating a free account lets you save favorites, follow creators, and upload your own designs. Thingiverse thrives on community spirit, so jump in and participate. Now let's start gathering blueprints for your 3D printing adventures. You found the perfect design on Thingiverse. Downloading a model is straightforward. Navigate to the models page and click the Download All Files button. This will download a compressed file with all necessary data, typically in STL format. Store these files in an organized manner on your computer. Each file represents a spark of creativity, ready to transform your world. Next, we'll prepare these blueprints for printing using slicing software. Before the final stages of our 3D printing journey, let's explore Tinkercad. This free, browser-based 3D modeling software lets you customize models or create your own. Its intuitive interface is perfect for beginners, while offering endless possibilities for experienced users. Import the downloaded STL file into Tinkercad to start customizing. Combine basic shapes or use pre-made ones from Tinkercad's library. Once satisfied with your modifications, export the updated file. Tinkercad is invaluable for adding a personal touch to your 3D printed creations. With our digital blueprints in hand, it's time to prepare them for printing using slicing software like Cura. This software is essential for converting your 3D models into a language that your 3D printer can understand and execute. Cura translates the STL file into G-code, the language your printer understands. This process involves breaking down the model into layers and generating instructions for each layer. G-code instructs the printer on movement, filament extrusion, and other parameters. These instructions are crucial for ensuring that your print comes out accurately and efficiently. Upon opening Cura, select your 3D printer model. This step ensures that the software tailors the G-code to the specific capabilities and limitations of your printer. Import your STL file and adjust printing parameters like layer height and infill density. These settings can significantly impact the quality and strength of your final print. Cura provides helpful descriptions for each setting. These tooltips can guide you in making the best choices for your specific project. Once satisfied, click the Slice button to generate the G-code file. This process may take a few moments depending on the complexity of your model. This file will guide your printer in bringing your digital creation to life. Watching your design materialize layer by layer is a truly rewarding experience. The moment of truth has arrived. After hours of designing and tweaking, it's time to bring your digital creation to life. Connect your 3D printer to your computer and ensure the filament is properly loaded. This filament is the material that will form your object, so choose wisely based on your design's needs. Transfer the G-code file to your printer. This file contains all the instructions your printer needs to create your design, layer by layer. Select the file and press print. This is the moment where your digital blueprint starts its transformation into a tangible object. As the printer whirs to life, watch as it builds the object layer by layer. Each movement of the nozzle is a step closer to your final creation. The printing process can take from minutes to hours, depending on the design. Patience is key, as the printer meticulously follows the G-code instructions. As the print completes, you'll experience the satisfaction of holding your creation. Carefully remove it from the printer, and take a moment to admire your work. It's a moment of pride, a culmination of your journey from digital exploration to physical creation. The object in your hands is a testament to your creativity and perseverance. Let's embark on a practical example, designing and printing a custom keychain. This journey will take us through the entire process, from the initial concept to the final printed object. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, you'll find this guide both informative and inspiring. Imagine a keychain adorned with your initials. It's not just a functional item, but a unique piece that reflects your personal style and creativity. Head over to Thingiverse and search for keychain designs. Thingiverse is a treasure trove of 3D models, offering countless designs created by a vibrant community of makers. Choose one that resonates with you. Look for a design that not only looks good but also has positive reviews and comments from other users. Download the design and import it into Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a user-friendly, web-based 3D design tool that's perfect for customizing your keychain. Add your initials using Tinkercad's tools. You can adjust the size, font, and position to make sure it looks just right. Export the customized design and import it into Cura. Cura is a powerful slicing software that prepares your 3D model for printing. Adjust the print settings for a high-resolution print. Pay attention to details like layer height, print speed, and infill density to ensure the best quality. Transfer the G-code file to your printer and initiate the print. Make sure your printer is properly calibrated and has enough filament. Watch as your personalized keychain takes shape, a testament to your 3D printing prowess. The process may take some time, but the end result is a tangible representation of your creativity and effort. As we conclude our exploration of 3D printing, it's clear we've only scratched the surface. Embrace the power of 3D printing and let your imagination soar. Download designs from Thingiverse, customize them, and bring your ideas to life. This is just the beginning of your 3D printing adventure. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations into the world of 3D printing. Now, go forth and print.